Hello, we are Natalia Mamic and Luka Lucic. We are talking about Vuk Stefanovic Karadžić. He was born 7th November 1787 in a small village Strašić in the vicinity of Loznica, the Ottoman Empire.
He was a Serbian psychologist and linguist and a major reformer of Serbian language who translated a New Testament. He died 7th February 1864 in Vienna, Austrian Empire. After 4 years, his work was accepted. 1816, and you can see his work.
He criticized other writers and political governments. Jan Kopitar, firstly they worked together, but later Jan Kopitar was one of the people who he criticized.
And thank you for your attention.